Hi, Mark. Fancy running into you here. Hi, Mark. Fancy running into you here.
Hi, Emma. What a pleasant surprise. Hi, Emma. What a pleasant surprise.
I know, right? It's been ages. I know, right? It's been ages.
Yes, it certainly has. How have you been? Yes, it certainly has. How have you been?
I'm doing great, thanks. And you? I'm doing great, thanks. And you?
Can't complain. Just the usual work stuff. Can't complain. Just the usual work stuff.
Speaking of work, how's your new job? Speaking of work, how's your new job?
It's going well. I'm really enjoying it. It's going well. I'm really enjoying it.
That's great to hear. Any exciting projects? That's great to hear. Any exciting projects?
Yes, a couple. They're quite challenging but rewarding. Yes, a couple. They're quite challenging but rewarding.
That's always a good thing. How's your brother? That's always a good thing. How's your brother?
He's good, started college this year. He's good, started college this year.
Oh wow, they grow up so fast. Oh wow, they grow up so fast.
You're telling me. Feels like just yesterday he was in high school. You're telling me. Feels like just yesterday he was in high school.
Time flies. How's your guitar lessons going? Time flies. How's your guitar lessons going?
Slow and steady. But it's a fun process. Slow and steady. But it's a fun process.
I bet. Maybe you can play a song for us next time. I bet. Maybe you can play a song for us next time.
I'd love to, once I get better. I'd love to, once I get better.
Looking forward to it. Have you read any good books lately? Looking forward to it. Have you read any good books lately?
Just finished The Alchemist. It was quite enlightening. Just finished The Alchemist. It was quite enlightening.
Oh, I love that book. I should reread it. Oh, I love that book. I should reread it.
You should. It offers a new perspective every time. You should. It offers a new perspective every time.
Absolutely. By the way, how's your cat? Absolutely. By the way, how's your cat?
She's as mischievous as ever. Keeps me on my toes. She's as mischievous as ever. Keeps me on my toes.
Pets do have a way of making life interesting. Pets do have a way of making life interesting.
They sure do. How's your painting going? They sure do. How's your painting going?
It's going well. I've been trying new styles. It's going well. I've been trying new styles.
That sounds exciting. Can't wait to see your new works. That sounds exciting. Can't wait to see your new works.
Thanks, I'll show you some next time. Thanks, I'll show you some next time.
I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it.
How's your cooking going? How's your cooking going?
It's getting better. Managed to make a decent pasta last week. It's getting better. Managed to make a decent pasta last week.
That's impressive. Cooking can be quite therapeutic. That's impressive. Cooking can be quite therapeutic.
Yes, it's a great stress buster. Yes, it's a great stress buster.
I agree. Have you traveled anywhere recently? I agree. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Went on a hiking trip last month. It was refreshing. Went on a hiking trip last month. It was refreshing.
I love hiking. Maybe we should plan a trip together. I love hiking. Maybe we should plan a trip together.
Sounds like a plan. I'll look into it. Sounds like a plan. I'll look into it.
Awesome. How's your mom doing? Awesome. How's your mom doing?
She's doing well. Enjoying her retirement. She's doing well. Enjoying her retirement.
That's good to hear. Send her my regards. That's good to hear. Send her my regards.
I will, Emma. Thanks. I will, Emma. Thanks.
You're welcome. Do you still have the same car? You're welcome. Do you still have the same car?
I do. But thinking of getting a new one soon. I do. But thinking of getting a new one soon.
A new car sounds exciting. Any model in mind? A new car sounds exciting. Any model in mind?
Not yet. Still researching. Not yet. Still researching.
Good luck with that. Are you still into photography? Good luck with that. Are you still into photography?
Yes, I am. In fact, I just bought a new lens. Yes, I am. In fact, I just bought a new lens.
That's cool. Maybe you can teach me sometime. That's cool. Maybe you can teach me sometime.
I'd love to, Emma. I'd love to, Emma.
Perfect. Do you still go jogging in the morning? Perfect. Do you still go jogging in the morning?
Yes, it's a great way to start the day. Yes, it's a great way to start the day.
I should try that. I'm more of a yoga person. I should try that. I'm more of a yoga person.
Yoga is great too. Helps improve flexibility. Yoga is great too. Helps improve flexibility.
Indeed. It was great catching up with you, Mark. Indeed. It was great catching up with you, Mark.
Same here, Emma. Let's meet up again soon. Same here, Emma. Let's meet up again soon.
Definitely. Maybe we can plan a lunch next time. Definitely. Maybe we can plan a lunch next time.
That sounds great. I know a few good places. That sounds great. I know a few good places.
Awesome. Looking forward to it. Take care, Mark. Awesome. Looking forward to it. Take care, Mark.
You too, Emma. See you soon. You too, Emma. See you soon.